In this video, I'm going to show you how to do copy trading on the ByBit exchange using your mobile phone. What is copy trading? Copy trading is basically you copying trades, as the name implies, okay? Copying the trades of what? Professional traders, alright, of other traders, which means you have no worries to think about doing this and all that. Even if you don't have knowledge about trading, then you are basically just going to be copying the trade. So if they make profit, you make profit. If they make a loss, you make a loss. I'm going to guide you on how you are going to select what traders, all right, that are going to make you profit. That reminds me, if you don't have the knowledge, or you just have a little bit of knowledge about trading crypto or forex, all right, I'm going to be having a free 1 month crypto and forex for beginners class. Okay, just call this number that you are seeing on the screen, send a WhatsApp message, okay, and you are going to be added to the group. It is completely free. All I need is what? Your time. All right, just provide your time, and that's basically it. I know things are difficult, most people want to learn, but most of these mentors online are saying they should pay. I'm going to do this for you guys free because I'm in the race, all right, to end poverty. So let's come back. So ByBit Copy Trading. If you don't have a ByBit account, kindly ensure to check the first link in the description and try to create one. I already have a video that is going to show you how you can create and verify your ByBit account in less than 5 minutes. Alright, so when you basically arrive here, let's say you have created and verified your ByBit account, you are going to come here, alright, where this arrow is pointing, right? You are saying what? Copy trading. Okay, you are just going to what? Tab in this particular copy trading. It's going to take you to the copy trading portal. All right, that is where you are going to be placing your trades. You don't need to have a previous knowledge about what? Trading crypto. All right, because what your trader, which you are going to copy, is the one going to do all the work for you. So this is what the trading portal. All right, so you are going to see a 100 USDT loss coverage. So if you basically use my referral link that is in the description section, in case you trade and you try to lose what? 100 USDT is basically a stable coin. 1 USDT is what? $1, equivalent to $1. They are going to what? Give you a loss coverage. Okay, so it is good if you use my referral link. So when you basically arrive here, this is what you're going to see. So I'm going to first show you step by step. Don't get confused. As you see at the top here, you see what? My trades, where the arrow is pointing. If you tap here, this is where you're going to see all the trades, all right, you have copied. You are going to see what your available balance. This total equity is basically your total amount of what? Profits, all right, or your loss that you are currently making. All right, so this is your total account balance from your copy trading. You have available balance, the one that is what? Available. You have the margin balance and unrealized profit. Unrealized profit is the profit or the loss which you are making, all right, in an open trade. So basically, just join this class. I'm going to explain to you everything. So this is what you have: realized share, all right, and unrealized share. Unrealized share profit is basically the profit which you have and your profit after closing the trade. Unrealized share is the one that you have not closed the trade yet. Okay, so let's come back here. I'm going to explain. So you scroll down, you are going to see different categories. There are different categories of trader. You are going to look the one that you are interested in. As you can see where this arrow is pointing, we have top traders by ROI. ROI basically means return on investment. Okay, these are traders that are going to give you what? The highest amount of what? Return on investment. Let's say you invested what? $50. All right, when you invest $50, maybe they are going to give you 25% of $50, 30%, 50%, 100% of what? $50 when you copy their trade. Okay, so this is basically what means by ROI. So to know more, all you are going to do is you just type in this more. So you are going to have a full details. All right, just type in more. So you are going to see what? Full details of all this. So these are the traders that are available. One thing you must notice is whenever you see what? Copy, it means what? These traders are available to copy, because sometimes they have limitation. They might want to say they are only going to allow 10 people, 50, 100, 200 people to copy. Then their trades, and after which they are going to close. For example, if we go back, you are going to see this one, right? Full. So which means I want you to understand this, please. This one currently you can't copy. So what are you going to do? Let's tab in here. All right. For you to have more details about this particular trader, you are going to tab in here, and you look at the top. You are seeing what? This is the name of the trader. Okay. This is trade stability, and you have the AUM. AUM basically means assets under management, the amount of money, total money that this trader is managing. All right, about 6,164.54 USDT. That's the amount he's currently managing. So they have like also what, the profit sharing. Now let's say you copy this trader, and this trader made for you profit. With the profits, you are going to give the trader 10% of your profit. This like profit sharing might be different from trader to trader. Some trader ask for 10%, some ask for 12%, 15, and as the case might be. So whatever profit, this is not from your margin, your capital you invested. This is only from your profit. Okay. This is the amount of people that are currently following this trader. All right, 100 followers, and this is the amount of days that this trader have been trading for, 152 days. All right, so if we scroll down, you are going to see the performance of this particular trader. So we are going step by step. This is the ROI, this return of investment. This is 215.99 or 1%, almost 216%. All right, this is the P&L, the profit and loss. So this trader will be able to make what, plus 7,296, all right, 0.27 percent. All right, the win rate is what, 100%. So these are some of the key things you want to be focusing on before ever you try to copy a trader. Try to look forward the ROI and the win rate. So this is 100%. So this trader have like when all is trade, these are trade, I don't know if male or female. Okay, so now let's go down. You are going to see more details. So look at the win rate. How many trades he entered? What, 30 trades. Okay, you enter 30 trades and you have won all 30, lose what, 0. Okay, so if you want, you are seeing the chart, right, of this particular trader. The chart is just moving upward. So you can just look at the earning. You tab in here, you just go tab in here for you to see the chart. All right, so this is for 7 days. You look forward the 30 days performance of the trader. You look forward the 90 days, how is this trader performing. So you see the chart has just been increasing. All right, so which means this is a what, pro trader. So now you see how the profit has been moving up. All right, you see the bars. Now there is no space. All right, there is no slot currently for you to join this trader. What you are going to do, if you think like you like this trader, you are going to press this join wait list. You see 300 people are already in the wait list, so you can just tab in here. You see wait list. Now you have joined. So if there is a space for you to join, you are going to what, they are going to inform you to start copying the trades of this trader. Okay, so if you want to leave, you can just say what, leave waitlist. So which means I'm already what, out again. Okay, so now let's come back to this more, and let's say we want to copy a trade of any trader. Now you see copy. So this one that with copy, it means they are opened. You can copy their trades. So let's just start with this first guy and see. So you already know this guy is managing 6 million. Okay, you see the AUM, the assets under management, 6,755,743.27 what, leons. Okay, he has been trading for 361 days as well. And this one, the profit sharing as mentioned earlier, is different. So this is going to be 15%, whatever profit you make. Okay, so now you see 14%. This guy has been making, you see the winning rate is 94. It took what, 346 trades, right? Let me just point that area. So you see 346 trades, he lost what, 22, and you have won 346, which is like good, right? So these are the things you need to what, look out for before ever you copy someone. So you can also tap at the top here. Some traders tend to what, show their trade, but this one is what, hiding the trade. Okay, so you can see what from the previous what, trades. Okay, so these are the previous what, trades. He is trading what, this, he or she is trading what, Solana USDT. All right, total number of trades you have been trading what, 88% of trades are from Solana. You have Pepe 62 trades, Ada Dogecoin, and others. Okay, so these are basically the peers he is like trading or she is trading. Okay, so you see this is basically it, and you have been making massive profit. You can see plus 15,382% just from 1,000 per USDT. All right, so now let's say we want to copy this. You just come here, you tap copy. Okay, you tap copy. Now you are seeing investment. How much do you want to invest? Some traders, they give you what limits. You can see here. So this, the minimum investment is $1,590 or 1,990 USDT. Okay, so sometimes you can't be able to copy this traders, some traders, because of what they have minimum. They want, these guys are like professionals. Okay, but you can still have traders you can copy for what, $50, and you are able to increase your $50. Probably you are busy, you don't want to learn trading, so you just enter the amount here. I don't have now this amount in this account, so I'll just enter 5 was 90. All right, and you press copy now. Okay, you press copy now. So firstly, you want to select, you are seeing at the bottom here, let's say you have this money you want to copy. So you just look at this, where this arrow is pointing, right? Where do you want to transfer this money from? So you need to select your account. If your money is in your funding account, you tap funding. Okay, like this. So you are going to transfer funding. If your money is in your unified account, you tap what, unified. All right, and also again, before ever you tap copy, you want to know, sometimes you just only want to copy this perpetual contract instead of what, this bot. Okay, you can't be able to copy what, this bot. So if you want, you can untick this if the trader enables you. Okay, because these are like robot trading for you, so it's kind of like risky for me, in my opinion. All right, so I'll prefer you just select USDT perpetual trades only, and you tap in copy now. Okay, then basically you are in the trade. So if you want to, like, let's say you have copied and you want to basically check up the trades you have copied, you just look at where they're always pointing. You are going to come here, and you are basically just going to what, go ahead and see your trades. If you want to cancel, you can cancel here at any time. Okay, so let's go again for the other type of traders. The second type is top balance traders. Okay, top balance traders. So these are traders that can manage your positions or your cash. All right, so you see this is 218 followers, 248 days, and this is 10% sharing as well. So he has took what, 943, he has won 943 trades. All right, so and lost what, 406. So you can just look at all these ones, and let's say his assets under management 398,908.4 USDT. So this one is also good. If you want to copy, you copy. So for this one, the minimum amount is what, 450 USDT. Okay, so if you have the money, you just enter 450 USDT here, and you are good to go. All right, just enter, and you just what, press copy, and that's basically what you need to do. All right, so let's come back to these are top new talent. So these are new copy traders as well. So you see these are new traders. Okay, so you can just tab in again and try to see how many trades they are doing, how many trades, and also the tokens, like the coins they are trading, the pairs. Okay, this guy have only been traded, or lady have been only trading for what, 9 days. Okay, 77 people are following this particular trader, and you can see win out 928 trades, right, and lost 131 trades. Okay, so this is the trade. Let's go and look at the pair that he is trading. So mostly this guy is trading what, altcoins. All right, so 1000 bonk USDT, Wi-Fi, Shiba 1000 USDT, and also he has been taking massive trades. Okay, so you see 23 slots left. So after 23 slots, you are going to see close, you are going to join the waitlist. So if you want to copy, tap copy, and the minimum is what, 500 USDT. You enter your 500. If you don't like this robot, you just unselect this robot and you copy. All right, you just like copy. So let's go back to another one. Let's see, boosted traders with highest profit for. So this one also is nice. These are traders that provide what, the highest amount of profit for their followers. Okay, the highest amount of profit for their followers. So you can just go ahead and look and select anyone. Let's say we want to select this particular trader here. So this one I've been trading for 64 days. The profit sharing is 15%. You can just say, let's look at the trades. Okay, this one is not showing out the trades or the pairs. So if you want to copy, you just type in copy. You already know, right? This is 500 minimum. There are some you put 50. They allow you to copy with what? $50. All right. You just have to take your time to look for this one. So now, again, guys, we have this area where it's like more setting, which is very important. Where this arrow is pointing. If you tap more setting, okay, tap more setting, you scroll down. Okay, you scroll down. Now we have two types of what? Mode. All right, this is like what the copy mode and the margin mode. So if you, this is like smart, only supporters with and support smart copy. So this is basically where you tend to what? Maximize your position. Let's say you are investing $50. How much do you want to lose in this $50? All right, how much do you are you ready to risk? All right, so you can basically set all this limit in this particular area. Now let's look here. Maximum position per margin. So let's say to enter any trade out of your $50, let's say you are using $50, so you are going to enter what? 10 USDT. So which means whenever this guy is going to enter a trade out of your $50, he is only going to use what? 10 USDT. You don't want to use just for entire what margin, your entire 50 USDT in just one trade. What if the trade goes bad? But if the trade goes bad with the 10 USDT, you still have 40 USDT that is going to use to enter another trade. You have daily position limit. Let's say now if the guy enter, like maybe the guy is trading what, 20 times a day, maybe you are just going to enter here, okay, just 5 times a day, just one time, 2 times a day. So you are basically going to like give order to what? The trader. Okay, this is what this means. Let's say daily position limit. After one position, 2, 10 position, then you are comfortable. Okay, then this is your stop loss ratio, your take profit. This is a copy stop loss. So now, how much are you ready to lose per trade? Let's say you are using 10, you are using like what, 10 USDT, $10. So out of the $10, let's say you are ready to only lose what, $5. Okay, out of those $5, after the $5, then you say you want to get out of the trade and you are going to wait when the trader is going to enter another trade again. Then you just type in what? Copy. So you need to set all this before ever you enter into, you press the copy now. Okay, you need to enter all this. So if you tab in here, okay, even if you tab in here, you want to enter, you press copy. When you press copy, you are going to see what at the bottom here, more setting. So after you have entered the amount, the first thing you need to do, you enter the amount, you come to what? More setting. You come to more setting. After more setting now, then you are going to basically go ahead and what? Select, enter the amount of margin you want to be using, the amount of money you want to lose per day, and amount of trades you want to enter. All right, the stop loss and everything. All right, so you have what? Different things. We have what we call this copy card. If you tab here, this is like followers will wait to copy USDT perpetual orders at an ideal price. Okay, so this is when you basically want to copy. Let's say the trader enter a trade, but you don't want to enter with the trader, you want to wait for a particular point. But it is, I will advise you not to focus on this one. Okay, so just enter the amount, the amount of trade you want to join, the amount of stop loss. Stop loss is basically an order which you give to the trader that if you are going to enter a trade and I'm going to use $10, if you lose like $2, $3 or $5 of that $10, I want to keep the remaining position. I want to keep the remaining money. That's basically what a stop loss order is. Okay, you copy. So guys, basically this is how you do copy trading on the ByBit exchange. If you find value in this particular tutorial, it's going to make my day. If you subscribe to the channel, if you have not subscribed, please like this video, share this video, and drop your questions in the comment section. And also ensure to send me a WhatsApp message, okay, to join this training. It's going to be both for crypto and Forex. If you're interested in both, then it's going to be more win for you. Thanks a lot. I'm Joseph. Stay blessed. See you in upcoming tutorials.